Hello friends! In this video I am going to teach you how to work with the broker utility. In the upper part, by clicking on your profile. You can click on Profile and Settings. And in this part, you will see information about your account, such as Contact, which you can access by clicking on Request Change. And by entering a new email, you can change the desired email. Also in the phone and address section. In the account section, you can click on Change Password to change your password. By entering your current password and the new password and clicking on Submit, you can change your desired password. And by clicking on Generate QR Code, you can add the authenticator to your account. To change your ID, you can click on Submit New ID and upload the new ID. Also in the Proof of Residence and Other Documents section, and in the App Settings section, you can set your withdrawals via email. You can activate this option by clicking or activating it. In the Idle Logout section, you can set the time. Change your religion, and you can also change the language in the My Axiory language section. In the Time Zone section, you select your desired time zone. And if you prefer, you can do this automatically. Transference through what's her location. And by clicking on Save Settings, you save your desired settings. Also, to get in touch with Axiory Broker Support, click on Support, and by entering your name, email address, and your message, you can click on Send Message to send your message to support. The next option is the Logout option. By clicking on this option, you will log out of your account. And by clicking on this option, you will enter the Sports section. By clicking on the iOS app or the Android app, you can download the Axiory application for your Apple or Android phone. In the Recent Actions section, you enter your activity history on the website, where by clicking on Add Filter, you can apply the desired filter, such as Status, Last, Update, Action Type, and Account. In the Trading Platform section, by selecting your desired operating system and platform, you can download these options. For example, MetaTrader 4, CTrader, or MetaTrader 5. In the Home section, you will enter the Board section where you can click on the Deposit option. And by choosing your account, such as Wallet or Live Account, and by choosing your payment type, you can start making deposits. We will make a video about this for you soon. In the video section, you can activate this section by making the initial deposit. We will also make a video about withdrawals for you. In the Transfer section, you can transfer the amount from your account to these internal accounts, which will be activated for you after your first deposit. In this section, you can see information about the bonus and also the bonus history. In this section, you can see trade and convert credits, for which you need to have DC set lots. Also, to receive a ticket, you can click on Get Ticket and enter information such as the URL for Share Official Campaign Post and the URL for Create and Share Your Own Content. You can send the desired ticket and request a ticket. In this section, you can see your recent actions, which reflect your activity on the website. Also, in the lower section, by clicking on Create New Account and selecting the desired account type, such as Live or Demo, you click on Continue. You select the desired platform and click on Continue. And after selecting your account type, you click on Continue. You select the desired leverage and click on Continue. You select the desired width as well as balance and click on Continue. And to create your account, click on Create New Account. And as you can see, the demo account has been added to our account. To change your account filters, click on this option and you can adjust the leverage. Settings and notifications. And to register, you click on Submit. By clicking on e-wallet, you gain access to the sections for deposit, withdraw, transfer, and go to wallet. When you click in this section, you enter your wallet history. And in this section, you have access to balance operations and fees from the Shield Fizz. After you activate the bullet section, this section will be displayed to you. In this section, you will also see your life and temp accounts, which you have access to the deposit and more action sections. In the more action section, you can access the withdrawal, transfer, change Alipay, change password, and close account sections. So you delete the desired account. Friends, this was the tutorial on how to work with the Axiory broker. Good luck.